Hey, so you want to know how you could build your business online and actually get results? Well, you came to the right place, and I want to share some results with you. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know how I would get out of my situation. And it wasn't until I brought my business online, which I learned from some mentors to do, that I started seeing results, right? So, if you could see right here, a cell just came in at 5:55 a.m. and I was actually sleeping, and these are all the cells that have came in this month. So there's a ton of them that have came in July that, I keep going down. I have all these right here. So, and you see the numbers next to here. So these are multiple different cells that happened, and it can happen for you too. It can happen for you too. It wasn't always like this. And, as you can see right here, I'm on the leaderboard, right? And somebody who joined my opportunity, Barry Cross, he signed up with the group or whatever, and he's already on the leaderboards. He had his first 2 sales in 4 days, which is amazing. And, he continues to progress and get better as well. So it's not only me getting results, it's also people that I'm working with personally, right? And here's how we do this. We're able to make sales even while we sleep by using a funnel, right? This is the place where people go to put their contact information in and they find out more information, right? So they might go to this page on YouTube, on Facebook, for my email list, somewhere like that, to find out more information about how it works, right? And you need a place to store those emails, just like if somebody was coming into a storefront, they need doors to enter your store, right? So here's how we do this, right? And when they put their email in, they go to your contact manager, which actually holds your contacts, and you're able to follow up with them via email, so they could learn more about what you do and you can build a relationship with them. And this is how this works. You're going to learn all about how to do this and different marketing strategies right within here. Here's the Funnel Builder Academy. This teaches you all about how to build funnels. And then they tell you to watch these 3 videos first: how to build any business online in 3 simple steps. And then you're going to learn about how to set it up. So you need to be able to set up your domain with your, autoresponder. And then you're going to go into the training, right? So the training is packed with value. It's how to sell your own products, how to optimize for mobile, how to create your own pages, upsells and downsells, which are basically whenever they, come in and they put their email in, they end up on a page like this with a video, and then there's a button, at the bottom to get started. So when they watch a video, they could get started, right? And so if they end up buying something while they're within your funnel, it could send them to another page which offers them something else of value, just like your coaching or something like that. It might offer them that, and if they don't buy, then it might offer them a downsell, which is a one-time payment, which is of lesser amount but still of the same value, right? So that's a downsell. Is if they don't buy, it offers them something else, and if they do buy, then it offers them an upsell normally. So that's how it works, right? So there's different things that you're going to learn about funnels, and you're going to be able to get into my private Facebook group, where we do a lot of masterminds at, which will really help you to be able to, get results. And you'll be able to get in the private Facebook group of this as well. This is the platform that we use, and you get 80% commission. So this is only $25 a month. You get a $20 a month commission, which is really amazing. You could build out your own products. You could build out your own membership sites, and it's really, really amazing when it comes to that. I wanted more though, so I wanted to learn about traffic and conversions. So I upgraded. This gives you $100 a month in commissions. And so it teaches you all about traffic. It teaches you about, how to create a lead magnet, who your target market is. A lead magnet is basically something that you give away for free in exchange for email. So it might be an ebook, it might be a giveaway, something like that, right? And then you're going to learn about free methods. The free methods are how to launch your business, how to invite people in 3 steps, how to follow up with people, how to get unlimited leads on Facebook, video lead generation, which was just added, blogging for business, YouTube ranking, which is why you see my videos at the top of the search engines, podcasting, and there's just so much. You're going to learn how to get leads on social media like LinkedIn. You're going to learn how to launch a product in 5 days, which is a launch formula, how to do Facebook Lives the right way, how to do Facebook ads. You're going to learn all that stuff, right? And then they got paid methods as well. The paid methods that you would use are, text messaging, or solo ad training, or Facebook ads, Facebook video ads. You're going to learn that stuff, right? But you're going to have to pick a method that works with you, right? And so you're also going to learn about conversions, right? The conversions, how to convert your leads, the conversion formula, how to close them, and actually how to get them started the right way when they onboard with you. And then we have live coaching calls, which this is the most valuable part of this whole thing, I believe, because I like hands-on, right? And when you like hands-on, training and support, we have 11, live calls a week. 11 live calls a week, and I do one in my group every single week to make sure people are up to speed. So we do have a weekly, catch-up meet as well. So there's 12 Zooms that you would be a part of, and you would be able to get a lot of support, right? So you're not in this alone. You're going to build, and you're going to be a part of a community and people who really care. And you're going to get $100 a month in addition to the $20 a month. So you're going to make $120 a month per sign up, and you're going to be able to use this to build out any kind of products, any kind of thing that you're selling online, right? And there's also other, trainings right here and done for you funnels. So it's important for you to be able to, get into something immediately and start getting results. That's why they have done for you funnels. And then the last thing that they have is they have the mid ticket, which is kind of like the high ticket of this, right? And it will give you a $400 commission. It teaches you about financial literacy. It teaches you about how to eliminate debt, all about your financial goals. And then it's going to show you how to structure your business the right way so you're not paying a lot in taxes, how to save on taxes, how to plan for retirement, and how to keep your books the right way so that way you're not taxed so much and you're able to maintain your business, right? And then once you start making money, you have to know how to invest your money. So this section right here is all about investment, investing in property, how to actually do different things with houses, car flipping, investing in different things, and how to avoid scams as well. So you're going to learn all about property and investing and things like that, and asset protection and everything like that. You're going to learn all about that in this course. This is a one-time buy. It gives you a $400 commission, which is really, really amazing, really, really cool. So you're going to be able to make over $500 per sign up. And what I'm going to do is, if you get started with me today, is what I'm going to do is I'm going to help you to get at least 1,000 people per month to see this opportunity, right? Because I sell traffic as well, email traffic. So I'm going to actually help you to get those people in front of the offer so that you could start making sales as soon as you get set up, right? So that's one of the benefits of signing up with me, is I'm going to help you, and you're going to be a part of our VIP mastermind group, as well as the company Facebook group, right? So you're going to be able to actually get results really, really quickly, and it really converts well on the email list. So if it's something that you want to be a part of, make sure you click on the link below this video and get in, come on board, and we're here to help, right? So there's also links to my Facebook group. It's a free Facebook group as well. And you could book a call with me if that's something that you would want to do for more information, right? So make sure you get into the free Facebook group, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I will talk to you soon. Bye for now.